Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start in Finder and go straight to Downloads. This is the control center for downloaded files. Once there, sort by date or kind so the items you want are visible immediately. Select a single file or hold Shift/CMD to pick several. Make sure not to select system folders. Once selected, press CMD delete to send items to trash. This moves them off active view but doesn't free disk space yet, so stay with me for the final cleanup. Now review what's in trash. You want to confirm you didn't remove anything important. Once reviewed, right-click the trash icon and choose Empty Trash to permanently delete those files and free space. If you're in a hurry, hold Option while emptying to skip confirmation prompts. If a file is stubborn, make sure no app is using it. Close apps or log out. Once trash is emptied, the space is reclaimed and your downloads are gone for good. If trash refuses to empty because a file is in use, open Activity Monitor and quit the app locking it, or restart your Mac. For persistent items, you can use Terminal. Type rmrf followed by the exact path. For example, rmrf_downloads/filename. Be precise because this permanently deletes without trash. Once done, empty trash again to verify. If deletion still fails, restart in safe mode and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.